The rain is falling heavy now. The water's at the door. Papa sits in silence like he's given up before. But I remember sunlight and a woman in this field who said a seed would fight to live if you gave it time to heal. She planted more than crops in me. She planted something deep.